Good morning and Sairam children. This side Ishika. I welcome you all in Shrima online classes. Children, today we will study maths. In maths, we will do our left work in your workbook, chapter number 3, that is addition. So we will continue from the next page. Uh, I I think that you have remember what we have done in our previous video. Let's take it recap. So children, this is our chapter number 3 addition in your workbook. Hope you all have workbook with you. So it is page number, if you see it, the page number of this chapter is page number 26. So we have done up to page number 26, 27, 28 and 29. So we have done up to page number 29. So our next page is page number 30. Today we will start our work, continue our work from the next page, that is page number 30. Let's start. So children, this is our page number 30. Before 3 questions, the first 3 questions given in this page is belong to the matching that given in page number 29. So in this matching you have to match the proper sum with the proper given balls given in the boxes. So we have some questions at back also related to this question only. So if this is any problem, you can see outside, because some parents are saying there is a mistake in the given options. So maybe if it is better to look back and check the statements. Okay, now we will start from question number 5. In question number 5, we have to add and match the following. Same question like question number 4, we have to add and match the following. So children, this side we have sums, this side we have sums, okay, and in the middle we have the proper answer with the given balls. So what we have to do now, you will maybe you will confuse, or you will see that we have at least 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 is question in each side, but the options given in the middle are only 6. So no problem, if there is any 2 matching with same box, you can do it. Okay, let's start. 4 plus 1, if you count on your fingers, 4 plus 1, it comes 5. So just see where is the 5 balls. Here this is. So what you have to do, you have to match it. Okay, next 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So let's find out where are 8 balls given, in which box 8 balls are given. This, no. Here, no. 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 This, yes. So we have to match it. Okay, now next question is 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, because 0 has no value, so only 2 is there, that it means 2 is left. So 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Next, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So we have to find out 7 balls. Where is the 7 ball? Here, this side. Okay, next 7 plus 2, where are the 7 plus 2? Children, if you see in the next page also some options are given. 2 option is there. So in the that box in this box we have 9 balls here in this box. So you have to, maybe you can because it is not easy to match it, so you can just put the number of the question. It is number of 5, so you can do 5th here, you can write 5th here. Okay, so anybody can understood कि it is the option of answer of the given question. Okay, next is 2 plus 4. So you have to find out 6 balls. 6 balls again in the next page. This is there. So here you have to write down 6. Okay. So no problem. It is maybe that's why you are confusing ki why the options are given wrong. But everything is fine here. You can, if you are not able to match it, you can only put the question number. Okay, I hope you understand this question. It is very easy. Now children, let's come to question number 6. At the following, please kindly try or count numbers on your fingers. If you do practice daily, then only you can understood the how to count numbers on fingers. If you scale, if you use the line like this, maybe you are not able to count on fingers. So just keep this habit away of raising the lines. Just started counting on your fingers. Okay, I requesting the parents to keep your child encouraged to count numbers on fingers. It is now very, if they are doing practice daily, then now only know this concept. Okay, so children, here the first question is 1 plus 5. So first of all you have to count 1 on your fingers, then you have to count 5 on your fingers. After that, after counting the all numbers on your fingers, then you have to count total. Okay, when you count total all the numbers together, and then you have to not stop in between the counting, you have to continue it with it. But when we counting the number first time or next number also, then we have to start every number with 1. Okay, but when we count in totally, counting together, count them together, then we will not stop between the counting. Okay, I just show you how to use your fingers when counting the numbers. Okay, children, so how I will tell you how to count numbers on your fingers. First of all, take out that page. Question number 6. Number 1 is 1 and 5. So how we will do? The first number is 1. So we will start from this line, your ticky one. So you have to start from this line. In each finger we have 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 1 and 2. Okay, so you have to count these lines. Okay, these lines, don't be confused, it is very easy. Just pay attention here. You have to count only lines. Okay, if numbers are done in one finger, then you can use your next hand. Okay, so first question is number 1. So we will start from here. जैसे कि मैंने बताया, हर नंबर आपको जब गिनेंगे तब आपको स्टार्टिंग 1 से ही करनी है. तो यहाँ पे 1 लिखा है तो मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 गिनूंगी. सो मेरी ये वाली फिंगर लाइन यूज़ हो गई है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट नंबर है 5. ओके, द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 5 हियर. सो इसके बाद कौन सी लाइन आएगी? दिस वन. तो आप यहाँ से 5 नंबर शुरू करेंगे. 1 2 3, 4, 5. Okay children, we have done 5. Now is there any other number? No. In this sum only two numbers are given, 1 and 5. Again I am doing, just pay attention here. Whatever number is given, you have to start from here and from 1. ज़रूरी नहीं कि यहाँ पे 1 ही मिले आपको, यहाँ कोई भी नंबर मिल सकता है, 4, 3, 2, 1, एनी नंबर. सो आपको कोई जब भी शुरू करना है छोटे नंबर से स्टार्ट करना है, यहाँ से ईजी रहेगा आपके लिए. आप अपने कोई भी फिंगर यूज़ कर यहाँ से भी शुरू कर सकते हैं, बट मेरे हिसाब से अगर यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे तो ज़्यादा इजी रहेगा आपको. ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. 1 हमने गिन लिया है, आगे बढ़ेंगे. 5 गिनना है हमने, दोबारा 1 से शुरू करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we have done all numbers we have done. So now what we have to do at last, we have to count them all together. Okay, अब हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हमने नंबर कहाँ से शुरू किया था गिनना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे और यहाँ तक गिना है. बच्चों आप अब छोटे हैं तो आप अपनी थंब की हेल्प से वहाँ पे हाथ रख सकते हैं, ताकि आपको याद रहे कि आप किस नंबर पे, किस लाइन पे कहाँ रुके थे. ठीक है, तो चलिए अब हमें स्टार्टिंग से शुरू करना है, बिना रुके गिनती गिननी है. काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. वेरी गुड. अगेन एक बार फिर से करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, सो हमारा आंसर क्या है यहाँ पे? 6. तो हम यहाँ पे 6 लिखेंगे. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 4 plus 0. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next number is 0. So there is no value of 0. So what will come here? Only 4. आपने 4 गिना था तो 4 ही आएगा, क्योंकि 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती. ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट है 3 and 6. लेट्स स्टार्ट. 3, 1, 2, 3. वेरी गुड. अगेन 1, 2, 3. As you see, I will start each and every number from 1. When we count numbers on our fingers, before adding them, we will start from 1. हर नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट होगा यहाँ से. So 1, 2, 3. डन. नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 6. इसके बाद दिस वन, ये लाइन आती है, यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have done here. So with the help of your thumb, you can stop your thumb here so that you will point out where you have stopped. So from where we will begin? Here. So what we have to do? We have to count from here to here. Okay, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक गिनना है. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. Okay children, so in this way you have to count all the numbers together in this question. Now in the next question, question number 7, missing numbers. Here we have 2 boxes together. Okay, we have no numbers here, but what we have answer with us. जैसे here we have 2 boxes. No, because when we add something we required 2 things together. Okay, but here we have no numbers with us, only the answer, that is 9. Only the answer. So what we do, we have to just think that in what two numbers should be added to get 9. Okay, so this is very mentally a game. I think you have to just think how do we get 9 numbers. So children, there are so many options to get 9. Okay, let's start with 1. If we put 1 here, so how many numbers we required here after 9? What we do? What number is left? Okay, if 1 is gone, it is very children, I think so children, here as I tell you, we require 2 numbers. From added them we will get 9. So I just tell you the option. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Now next is 7. 4 plus 3, when we 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Next 1, so 1 and 0, when we add 0 plus 1 with 1, it comes 1. Now 4, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, in this way you have to do this number. We will talk about this topic afterwards. Okay, for this time you have to only write this number. The logic behind this missing numbers we will discuss afterwards. Okay, now next 8 number question. Learn more addition through statement problems. Children, this type of questions we will tell them word problems. Okay, so first of all we have to read the question, then according to the question we have to solve it. And this lesson belongs to addition, so all the word problems given here belong to the addition only. Okay, so just read it and you will get idea that what type of questions will be given when we are doing addition. Okay, in related to addition. And for the practice you can even make your own word problems, very easy problems. Suppose you will say I have 10 apples, okay, and my mother give me 2, so how many apples are together? Okay, in this way you will do make your own word problems. Okay, and you will make a game with this also. So I had 5 fishes in the aquarium. The first question is, I had 5 fishes in the aquarium. I bought 3 more fishes and put them in aquarium. So how many fishes are there in the aquarium now? I am talking about question number 1. This question, I had 5 fishes in the aquarium and I bought 3 more. So how many total are there fishes are there? So in this way you have to do here. Okay, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So answer is 8 fishes. Okay, now the next question is, 5 children were playing cricket and 7 children were playing football in the playground. So how many children are playing? So first of all, how many children were playing cricket? It is 7. And how many? It is 5. And how many children were playing football? It is 7. So how many children are playing? So we have to count them all together. So when we plus 5 and 7, 12 will come. Okay, so there are 12 children. First you do this question here, then you have to do you have to write 12 children. Okay, now next, Raju ate 4 mangoes and his friend ate 1 mango. How many mangoes they eat altogether? Raju ate 4 and his friend 1. So how many total mangoes are there? Yes, 5. Okay. Next question. Rahul had 3 notebooks and Sonu has 4 notebooks. So how many total books are there? 7. So with the answer you have to write here proper: 7 notebooks, 5 mangoes, 12 children. Okay. The last question is number 5th. Samira plucked 5 flowers. Farita plucked 1 flower. Both put them together in a basket. So how many flowers are there in the basket? Yes, it is 6. So we have just 6 flowers. Okay children, so when you done the answer, this statement is very important. You have to write it with the answer. I hope you are now well aware with the topic addition, and you have done doing your work in book and workbook as well as notebook also. Okay, please do practice of the sums daily. In next video I will start from the chapter number 4, that is subtraction. It is just opposite to addition. Okay, maybe it's quite a fun. We will meet soon. Saira.